driving me DeKalb County Security.
Anybody see any terrorists?
Yeah,
Get 'em.
over there behind me.
All right, shoot him.
There's a terrorist.
Shoot him. There he is right there. Escape terrorist.
Oh my God, get him, quick. Oh,
Yeah, I like being security.
where's the shotgun shell? All right,
Right there in my pocket.
Barney Eastham.